For too much of protecting myself, I've built myself walls where nobody could enter easily. For the deepest pains I had been through, I covered myself to the point where I became isolated. I became too afraid to get hurt by anybody that I avoid connections and personal attachments. Whenever I met people, I can think of the possibility that they'll hurt me. I am too vulnerable to step out, to give them trust. I am too hurt to trust people, to let them enter in my life. I pushed people away. Who can blame me? I am just trying to protect myself. But I guess we can't always avoid being hurt because pain always chases us. Pain became my friend, and it takes pain to feel that you're alive. I guess someday, when the pain is light, the hurt isn't tough, I'll be able to find myself trusting people and be better again.